Imagine you could play all of these games and many more with one single deck. We present the Polycard Deck. One deck, endless games, endless possibilities. 120 cards individually designed, offering endless possibilities. On the cards, you'll find a variety of symbols and icons inspired by different games. Use them together or completely separately. On the back, a stylized design provides everything you need to create a wide range of board layouts with the cards, like chess, checkers, Connect 4, Battleship, Tic-Tac-Toe, Ludo, Okwo, and more. Build structures, create systems, even design and test your own board games. The Polycard Deck. One deck, endless possibilities. With the Polycard Deck, you carry an entire universe of games in your pocket. No heavy boxes, no multiple sets, no clutter. Just one compact deck that goes wherever you go. More fun with less baggage.